here's one more heat investigation you might like to try. I've got a candle here and I'm just going to light it. And I'm wondering, what does a candle need to burn? Just light my candle here. Okay. Do you think the candle needs air to burn? I do. Now, do you see my glass here? Is it full or is it empty? Well, it's not quite empty, it's full of air. So I have air in this glass. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, will my candle continue to burn if it uses up the air in this glass? So I'm just going to put the glass down on top of it and see, does the candle stay lit or does the candle go out? Because it's going to use the air that's in the glass, but then the air in the glass is going to run out, and look at it, what happens, the flame, it goes out too. Now, would you like to see how much air the candle used? Well, I'm going to light it again. And this time I'm going to put a little bit of water in around the candle. Now I'm not putting too much water. I don't want the candle to go out. And I'm going to put a few drops of food colouring just so it'll be easier for you to see. There's my food colouring. A little bit more water. Mix it around so that it's well mixed. This is just food colouring in the water. Now, this is exactly the same. I'm putting my glass, it's full of air, that's right. I'm going to put this down on top of my candle, and the candle again is going to use the air that's in the glass, but let's see what happens when it does. Putting my candle down here. The candle is burning until the air is used up, the oxygen is used up. And then let's have a look and see, because there's no more air left, there should be a good seal and I should be able to lift the glass. And that's because when the oxygen has been used up, it creates a vacuum and that sticks the bottom of the container. Now, this time I'm doing it in exactly the same way, but I've put 2 coins down beside the candle, and this is so that the glass doesn't stick to the bottom of the container. And once the oxygen is used up, you should be able to see the water rushing in to take the place of the oxygen that was used. So you should be able to see how much oxygen was used by the candle that was burning in the glass. The flame is going out and the water is climbing up in the glass and replacing the oxygen that was used. Happy Science Week! Don't forget to try some of these at school with your classmates or at home with your family, and enjoy the week.